Welcome to beautiful Naples, Italy, a city rich in history, culture, and unparalleled cuisine. Nestled in the country's southern region, Naples is a gem waiting to be discovered. Naples is the capital of Campania and is one of the largest cities in Italy. Let's explore the top things to do in this captivating city. First, we recommend visiting the historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, you'll experience quaint cobblestone streets, beautiful Baroque churches, and vibrant piazzas where locals gather to enjoy daily life. Don't forget to visit the large mural dedicated to Maradona. In the Spanish quarters, it is an integral part of the culture of the Neapolitans. Don't miss the Naples National Archaeological Museum, housing one of the world's finest collections of Greco-Roman artifacts. This museum offers a fascinating journey back in time. It's the perfect opportunity to immerse yourself in ancient history. The next stop is Piazza del Plebiscito. Located in the historic center, between the seafront and Via Toledo, with an area of about 25,000 square meters, the square is one of the largest in the city and in Italy. The Royal Palace of Naples, located in Piazza del Plebiscito, built starting from 1600, was the residence of the Spanish and then Austrian viceroys, and subsequently of the Bourbon dynasty. Galleria Umberto I is a shopping arcade built in Naples between 1887 and 1890. It is dedicated to Umberto I of Italy, as a tribute to the king and in memory of his generous presence during the cholera epidemic of 1884, which showed the need for a rehabilitation of the city. Before leaving Naples, make sure to visit the Castel dell'Ovo. This seaside fortress offers stunning views over the Bay of Naples and the city. It's a great place to take some memorable photos of your trip. Another castle to visit is Castel Nuovo. It is a medieval fortress with 5 towers and a Renaissance triumphal arch, as well as a civic art museum and chapel. Craving some outdoor adventures? Mount Vesuvius awaits. Hike up this active volcano for an exhilarating experience and a panoramic view of Naples. Just remember to wear good walking shoes and bring plenty of water. After your hike, head to the Pompeii ruins. Explore the well-preserved streets, houses, and ancient artifacts of this Roman city that was tragically buried in AD 79 from the eruption of Vesuvius. Nowhere else will you be able to see such a well-preserved 2,000-year-old city. It's a touching reminder of the power of nature. When it's time to relax, stroll along the picturesque Naples waterfront. Take in the stunning views of the bay, enjoy a gelato, or savor a Neapolitan pizza at one of the many waterfront restaurants. After all, Naples is the birthplace of pizza. For a bit of tranquility, visit the lush botanical garden of Naples. With over 25,000 varieties of plants, it's a haven for nature lovers. You'll also find a museum showcasing the history of botany in Naples. And looking towards the sea, what do we find? The Gulf of Naples is full of fantastic islands to visit. Let's start with Procida. Accessible by ferry, Procida captivates with its outstanding natural beauty and the vivid palette of its small, tightly packed houses. It is a slice of authentic Italian life that looks like a scene from a postcard. A few minutes away we find Ischia. Ischia is a volcanic island in the Gulf of Naples, Italy. It is known for its mineral-rich thermal waters that were also used by the ancient Romans. The island has a view of the medieval Castello Aragonese, connected to Ischia by a stone bridge. Nearby, the 18th century Palazzo dell'Orologio houses the Museo del Mare, dedicated to the tradition of Ischia fishing. Last, but not least, there is Capri. Famous for its rugged landscape, luxury hotels and shopping, from designer fashions to limoncello and handmade leather sandals. One of its best-known natural sights is the Blue Grotto, a dark cavern where the sea glows electric blue, the result of sunlight passing through an underwater cave. In summer, Capri's spectacular cove-studded coastline attracts many yachts. Finally, indulge in an authentic Neapolitan culinary experience. Visit the bustling markets, sample the local wines, and learn how to make traditional dishes like pizza and pasta. After all, food is at the heart of Neapolitan culture. So there you have it. From historic sites to mouth-watering cuisine, Naples has it all. This is just a glimpse of what this extraordinary city has to offer. We hope you can explore and fall in love with Naples, just like we have. Share your opinion. Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and don't forget to click the subscribe button.